Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear ninth class. How are you, dear students? I hope so that all of you are good and fine. Dear students, today we will discuss the topic of HCF and LCM of expressions. Expressions mean algebraic expressions. Exercise 6.1, which is taken from Punjab Textbook Board, Bahawalpur. Dear ninth class, you have learned about the HCF and LCM in class 4, 5, 6, etc., which was about the LCM of the simple values. But now today we will discuss the LCM and HCF of the algebraic expressions. First we will start from the easy part of this exercise. Question number 1, part number 2. Find HCF of 102 xy square z, 85 x square yz, 187 xyz square. Dear student, this is very simple and like the HCF and LCM method like you have learned in your previous classes. First of all, we will take the prime factorization of 102 xy square z and prime factorization of 85x square yz and 187x yz square. This is very simple. With the help of prime factorization, you will find the factors, possible prime factors of this number 102. This is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 17. X is 1 times and y is repeated 2 times. So we will write y into z. Now 85 is the product of the 5 into 17. So write, and x square means we will write the x 2 times. X into x, y and z. 187 is the product of 17 and 11. X into y into z. Here we will write z by 2 times. Okay, my dear students. After that we will take the common factor. We will write the z 2 times. Now we will take the common factor of all these values 102, 85 and 187. There are common values of 17 is the common number, and x 1 times and y 1 time and z 1 time. They are the common factors of these three numbers, these three terms. So we will take the common factor and then we will multiply, and HCF means highest common factor. So 17xyz is the highest common factor of all these three values. Now question number 2, we will find the HCF by factorization. There are some expressions are given. In the previous question these are the terms, and now we will move for the factorization for the HCF of the expressions, algebraic terms and algebraic expressions. First algebraic expression is x square plus 5x plus 6, and second algebraic expression is x square minus 4x minus 12. Dear student, first of all we will write x square plus 5x plus 6 and we will find the factors of this algebraic expression by break the mid term. 5x means 3x plus 2x. Okay. Now we will take the first we will take the common of x from first two values, and here we will take 2 as common from last two values, and we will get x into x plus 3 plus 2x plus 3. X plus 3 is common and remaining value is x plus 2. So this is the possible factors of x square plus 5x plus 6 are x plus 3 into x plus 2. Now the second expression is x square minus 4x minus 12. We will again break the midterm and we will get minus 6x plus 2x minus 12, and take x as common, x minus 6 plus 2 as common, x minus 6. So x minus 6 is common and x minus x plus 2 also. So x minus 6 and x plus 2 are the possible factors of x square minus 4x minus 12. Dear student, you can observe that these are the possible factor of first expression and these are the possible factors of the second expression. Now there are only one common factor between these two expressions, which is x plus 2. So first we will write the common factor x plus 2, and HCF is also same, x plus 2. Part number 4, 18x cube minus 9x square plus 8x, and second expression is 24x square minus 3x plus 2. Now, my dear student, first of all, we will write first expression, and you can see that we can take x as common from all these three values. So, first of all, we will take x as common from all these three values. We will get x 18x into x square minus 9x plus 8 after taking x as common. Now, we will find the prime factors of 18, which are 2 into 3 into 3, and x is written as it is. Now we will factorize this expression by mid-term break and get expression x square minus 8x minus x plus 8. Now, my dear student, we will take x as common from first two values and minus 1 is common from last two values, and now we will get the possible factors of 18x cube minus 9x square plus 8x are 2 into 3 into 3 into x, x minus 8 and x minus 1. Now this is the time to find the factors of the 24 x square minus 3x plus 2. The prime factors of 24 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, and we will find the factors by midterm break x square minus 2x minus x plus 2. Again, we will take the x as common from first two values, x into x minus 2, and minus 1 as common from last two values, x minus 2. So we will get the possible factors of this expression, which are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, x minus 2 and x minus 1. Now you can see both factors, and yes, now we will find the common factors. Here 2 is common and 3 is common. So we will write 2 into 3 and x minus 1 is the common factor. So write all the common factors and then we will find the product. 2 3s are 6, 6x minus 1. This is the HCF of this expression. Part number 5. 36 into 3x4 plus 5x3 minus 2x square, and second expression is 54, 27x4 minus x. Dear students, in this expression, first of all we will take x square as common. Then we will get 36x square, and when after taking x square as common, we have the value 3x square plus 5x minus 2. Now we will find the prime factors of 36, which are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, x into x, x square means x into x, and we will break the midterm plus 5x, which will be plus 6x minus x. So by taking the common 3x as common from first two terms and minus 1 as common from last two values, we will get 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into x into x plus 2 and 3x minus 1. These are the possible factors of first expression. Now we will move to the second expression, which is 54, 27x4 minus x. And now after taking the prime factors, we will get 2 into 3 into 3 into 3, and we will take the x as common, and we get 27x cube minus 1. Dear students, you can see that 27x cube minus 1 is the factors of the 27x cube minus 1 we can find with the help of the cubic formula. So 3x minus 1 into 9x square plus 27x plus 1. So the common factors between these two expressions are 2 into 3 into 3 into x into 3x minus 1. And so HCF of 2 into 3, 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18x into 3x minus 1. These are the possible factors. Now my dear students, we will move to question number 3, find HCF by division method. In the previous question we have done LCM, and now we are going for the HCF. First of all, we will by division method. In this question we have done by factorization method, and now we will solve HCF by division method. So first part is x cube plus 3x square minus 16x plus 12, and second is x cube plus x square minus 10x plus 8. My dear students, you can see that the method is given in the division form. So first of all we will find that which value is greater. You can see that this is the degree of this expression is 3 and degree of this expression is also 3. So we will move for the next part. Next method means we will compare the coefficients. The coefficient of the leading coefficients are also same, and now we will move to next. This is 3 and this is x square. It means this is the greater value. So we will write the greater value as a dividend and the smaller value as a divisor. and we will divide, since this is same, so we will multiply this one by this expression by 1 and write the values here: x cube plus x square minus 10x plus 8. You know that in the division we will take the subtraction, so when we will subtract the values, then the sign of the second expression will be changed, so positive value will becomes the negative and the negative will becomes the positive. X cube minus x cube will be cancelled. 3x minus x square equals to 2x square, minus 16 plus 10 is minus 6, 12 minus 8 is equals to plus 4. We will take the 2 as common and we will get new expression x square minus 3x plus 2. Since 2 is not the common factor between these two expressions, so we will ignore the 2 and then we will write this divisor as a dividend. Okay, now we will divide this divisor as a dividend and we will divide this expression by this number. So x square minus 3x plus 2 means this is x cube and this is x square. So first of all we will multiply this expression by x to make it x cube. So it will becomes x. When we will multiply this expression by x, we will get x cube minus 3x square plus 2x. Write the values and subtract these values and we get 4x square minus 12x plus 8. The sign is positive, so put the sign is positive here, and after that we will you can see that there is 4, so we will multiply this expression by 4 and we get 4x square minus 4 3 is 12x minus plus 4 2 is 8. We will write all the values, all values will be cancelled with each other, so the HCF is the last divisor, which is x square minus 3x plus 2. This is the answer.